I'm setting up these to be soldered. So I was just going to go through and show you how I was doing it. Need to lift up this little guy right here, so that's why I have the brick here. So it's good to have like little pieces of old brick because you can actually sand it down to the level you need. So let's see what I got going on here. And put a piece of medium right here, medium solder. Oop. Good if it's a little moist because then it'll stick a little better. It's soldered, my flux had dried. Okay. Now one thing, I have this one and this one going in the same direction, which means now I need to turn it. So I'm going to put this guy here and see if he is the right level to where it's flush. And I got lucky with that one. That one's totally flush, so it's ready to go. So now I just need another piece of brick. This is old brick. And let's see, I'm going to put that one right here. I can tell you right now that that brick's going to be too high. So you look, it's too high up, too wonky. Stay right there. Take this piece, I'm going to show you what I do. It's pretty forgiving. Let's see if that did it. Oh, I'm at an angle with that one. Let me get that one a little bit more. Don't breathe that dust. Put your mask on and then get rid of it. I'm not going to show you how to solder these because fire and cameras, I'm not there yet. But I can show you the setup. There we go. We're ready. And let me show you the side angle. So they're all even. They're all going to solder just right. That kind of thing. Anyways, that's me setting up the solder chips for the flower earrings. Thought I'd show you.